Peachies! I bet you can see that I'm not in my normal studio because now that Malaysia is having a lockdown, so we are forced to stay at home. While Peachy X is at home doing her skincare routine video, I'm going to be transforming into an e-girl. It's trending on TikTok right now, I bet you've seen it. So keep on watching and transform into an e-girl with me. So I'm going to be clipping my hair this side so that I can have more volume when I flip it over. A lot of people are very panicking and worried about Covid-19. Currently, the situation in Malaysia is that everyone is quarantined in their house. Kind of. It's more like a restricted movement. So let's say if you want to just go out and buy groceries, you can still do that as the stores are still open. But if you want to, let's say, go hang out with your friends or balik kampung ke apa, you are not allowed to do that. Oh wait, I'm going to take out my spectacles. So I'll start with applying foundation as usual. I'm mixing these two again. Whenever I hear news about the COVID-19 situation, I'm not sure if everyone has this uncle, auntie, mother, grandmother, whoever in your relative tree who just spreads false news about the virus. Like, hello, chill people, just one quick Google search, you can already verify that the news is fake. It's like they're causing unnecessary havoc and chaos, in my opinion, for no reason. Why do you want to make such a terrible situation become even worse by spreading all these kinds of false news? I remember the worst was when I think there was this news spreading that the reason why Indians didn't get this COVID-19 is because they always eat curry. That was it's such a racist stereotype. Oh my goodness, when I first heard that, I'm like, seriously? But the thing is, it's not the younger generation who's believing it, it's the older generation. We as youngsters should take the initiative to educate these older generation, like how to identify false news. So I'm using my favorite Rina Beauty sponge to blend. I think just recently our Prime Minister came up for a talk, just yesterday, Wednesday at around 8 PM, urging people not to go out. I don't understand the people who still insist on going out and not treating this seriously. And the panic buying, oh my goodness guys. I remember one of my friends was telling me that their auntie bought 10 packs of toilet rolls and she's living alone. Why? What for? I really don't understand the whole buying of toilet roll thing. Don't they have a bidet? I thought it's an Asian thing to have a bidet and wash your poop using it. Now I'm just going to put concealer underneath my eyes to hide the redness. I suddenly got reminded of the time I was in Sunway Pyramid. It's one of the shopping malls here. I came across this shop that sells masks. And because of the virus, people are stocking up on the mask and everything like crazy. And this shop, they really just took advantage of this situation. I remember there was this particular mask that I actually saw it in Mr. DIY before this virus outbreak. They were selling it for 2-3 ringgit. I kind of forgot the price, but it was very cheap. And this place was selling it for 30 ringgit. They're really taking advantage of this situation and trying to make a quick buck. And to me, I find it very unethical. I guess I just lost faith in humanity after that. Okay, now I'm going to contour the shit out of my face because I have a very oval egg-shaped face, and I think e-girls generally have very contoured looks. So wish me luck. I have too much baby hair flying around, so out comes the cat hairband. I wouldn't recommend this concealer as a contour color. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel. To me, it looks very orangey, yellow, instead of a brown undertone that you're supposed to have to create a shadow. So forgive me if I look a little bit orange after this. Before I got the idea of transforming into an e-girl, I was researching about them through TikTok, and I was quite amazed at how it looks and the fact that it's called e-girl, electronic girl, but the style and everything looks like the emo in my age, So I'll move on to powder. I was trying to look through TikTok. I could not understand the whole concept behind TikTok, and I always cringe at those TikToks that show like, oh, I'm so ugly and everything, and then suddenly boom, I'm gorgeous, and then they act like so freaking hot and everything. Like, how do you guys have that confidence? Please teach me, see-through. Now I'll move on to my eyebrows, and just like my foundation, I mix 2 eyebrow colors as well. It's the Althea Brow Wow eyebrow pencil. I use this grey-brown shade to fill in the outer edge of my eyebrow, and this soft brownish color to fill in the front part to make it have a nice ombre look. Now I can finally move on to the signature look of an e-girl, which is eyeshadow. I noticed that e-girls generally have very super thick eyeshadow and with a winged eyeliner. So I'm gonna try recreating it with the Rimmel Crimson palette. Do you know that it's supposed to be a dupe for Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette? Apparently the colors are very similar, but I don't own an Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, so I wouldn't know. Do any of you have this problem? Like, when you first close your eyes and you apply the eyeshadow, it's like, oh, that's a lot. And then when you open your eyes, it's all gone. You see, a trick I learned from the guru of all makeup, Poki, is that when you want to do a wing, especially if you have what they call this epicantic eyelids like me, you have to look straight into the mirror and draw it out. So here goes nothing for me. So now another signature part of the e-girl look, eyeliner. I forgot to put shimmer on my eyeshadow. More shine to my eye look, so I'm gonna use this Lively Liquid Glitter Shadow. Do you see the difference? Look at that shine. Oh yes! And maybe a little bit underneath my eyes, because why not? I forgot to put on mascara. And now I'll use my Heroine Make Super Waterproof Mascara. One of the best shit I've ever used. I'm almost done. Another signature look, over blush. Oh my god, I really love the over blush look. So the moment I saw that this e-girl transformation has an over blush look, I was like, yes, yes, and yes. I got this in the makeup sale for like 10 bucks. It's a baby face cheek blush in the shade Dry Rose. It's a very nice natural color, and it has a slight sheen to it to make it look more healthy, I guess. And I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose and also the tip. You know, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Asian version. Now to the other side. Now let's move on to highlight. So I guess I'll just use my Wet n Wild highlighter. It's in the shade Precious Petals, and it's a very nice highlighter. It's a glowy, dewy look, like you just got out of the sun and then there's a little bit of sweat and the sun just hits your face and it has a golden glow to it, you know? Ooh, look at that. You see that? Shine bright like a diamond. Oh yes, diamond in the sky. Intensify, intensify. There's no such thing as natural in this video. They always say you're a diamond in the rough, yet to be discovered. Make yourself your own diamond. Okay, now for lips. I plan to use this Innisfree lip tint in the shade 9. It's like a purplish brown color. It's very nice. I'm using Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade number 2, and to put it in the inner parts of my lip to create like an ombre look. It's one of my favorite lip looks. And now, the most important thing that you have to do as an e-girl, you have to draw hearts on your cheek. I will try my best to do it. Let's pray for me, guys. I'm done! So give me a few minutes, let me just do my hair real quick so I can look a little bit even younger. So, how do I look, guys? I feel like an old lady trying to be a 16-year-old. But yes, this is my final transformation look. I hope I pass somewhat, I suppose. I use this kind of like pigtail hairstyle to make me look younger, and I suppose make my hair look thicker. With the t-shirt and the choker and the earrings and everything, I guess it's a pass. Now I'm wondering whether I should actually do a TikTok to make it look more legit. You know what? I think I should. And yeah, that's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are safe and sound in your own homes, and yeah, just stay at home, guys. Alright, I'll see you. Bye!